And you have a tank of fuel, and then you have a tank of water, then you have drinking water, and then you have other liquids, and you're hearing stuff slosh around. It's like, is that okay? What's going on? Did I tie up the thing with the thing? Yeah.
Turn right onto North Street, B15.
You sunk my battleship. You're gonna get awfully tired of that soon. Now, here's the tricky part. As this is a left-hand drive, it's very hard to see out the right. So I have to angle it so I'm almost out on the road. There we go.
Continue on B15 for 1.5 miles.
Okay. Woo! Everything's gonna be moved over with this. Woo! If only I could record that view at the back. It's savage. True traffic. I don't know. Okay. Give me something scenic. Yeah, a lot of the houses. It's not very scenic at all.
In 800 feet, turn right onto White Park Road, B15.
You sunk my battleship. We are doing the Giant's Causeway, Rope Bridge Causeway Coastal Route.
Take the next right onto White Park Road, B15.
Because I'm in a convoy here, best to see if you can do multiple, get a good bit of space between yourself. So that we don't break up, but we do have the radio.
Continue on B15 for 3 miles.
Nice, very Irish roads, you know. So with my car, I was able to drive up and down any road I wanted to do the drone coastal tour. But with the motorhome, you don't have that luxury. You know, I wouldn't like to be going down some certain roads in this thing and then be stuck. You know, having to try to reverse this up a very narrow, windy road. So to kind of stay to the big roads. Coming into bad weather down here. I was hoping to send the drone up. Maybe we'll break through it. We'll break through it.
Take the next right, then your destination will be on the right.
This is a fucking terrible corner to do this.
Your destination is on the right.
Hope there's some visibility at all. Even a little bit will do me happily. Right, that's where we are. And that is what we see. Look at that.
In 200 feet, turn right onto B15. Take the next right onto B15. Continue on B15 for 1 mile.
It's already on. Well, I hope it is. Are you? Yep.
In 1,000 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Should be on the right soon enough.
Your destination is on the right.
hang off wood.
I was just gonna say that.
Take the next right onto Causeway Road. Continue on Causeway Road for 1 mile.